In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use PayPal as your checkout method on your website, or whether you are selling something online on your shop or anything like that. So I'm going to show you guys a lot of stuff here in this video. So I'm going to show you guys how you can create a QR code for your checkout page using PayPal, whether you are selling on social media or any platform, how you can use a button. So now let me scroll down to show you guys on the website here. This is how the button looks like, and also how you can even add a link to your, let's say you have a YouTube channel and you want to sell via a link. So this is the link here. So when they tap on the link, it's going to redirect them to a site like this, and they can even use their card to pay, and you're going to get the money in your PayPal account. Simple and easy. So this is for website. If you don't have a website, this method is going to work for you. So what you need is a PayPal account. So now let's open our PayPal account and let me show you guys the tutorial involved in doing this. So now let's come here and then let's choose online checkout. So I just do this and I open a new tab. It's going to take me here to this side here. So here I need to, set up a pay link or button, something like that. So I just tap on that here. They're going to take me to this page. You get it? So this is already created. Let me create a new one here. Let me walk you guys through the procedure here. So here I'm going to get a payment link and a QR code, just like I showed you guys here. So on here, I just need to enter the item name. So let's say I'm giving out a course. Let's say it's a web development course. That's what I do. Web development, course, something like that. And you add a description if you want to. So if you are selling something, definitely you need a description for that, for it to look more professional. Let me move from that side and let me come down here. Let me add a price. So let's say the price of this course should be $25, and the currency is USD. You can choose any currency of your choice. And if this is something that people can buy multiple times, you can, select this here and they can, buy multiple. You need to select the maximum they need to buy. So this is a single course, so I'm not going to do that. And you can also add images if you want to. You can upload your images from your mobile phone or your PC. Let me use this image. You can see her. Good. So it's appearing here. So let's say this will be a cover of the course, something like that. Now let me come down here and let's continue here. So here you have show more options here. You just open that. If you want to check any of them here, you can check them. This is simple English. If you want to check them, you can check all of them here. In this case, I'm not going to check them. This is for tutorial. I don't want this to be a long one here. So you can, upload couple images here, up to 5. You can see here to make it look more professional. Now you just move to build it here. You get it. And now you get your link. So now let me come back. You can customize this side and you can also customize the checkout side too as well. Now let me come back here. Let's try to build a new one here. And now let me show you guys how to customize the checkout side too as well. So the item name, let me choose this and let me, add a price, which is $25, and one time, and just like I said, you upload your image, blah, blah, blah. You can move to your checkout here to, edit it. So if there is taxes, you can choose and you add your tax rate and the rest. And if there's any sort of shipping fees too, you can do that by checking it and then doing all that. Confirmation too, you can, add an auto return and it's going to return them to a page. If you have a URL, you can, add the URL here. So you can add a thank you page URL here for it to look more professional. So now let's come here. Let's get back to where we reached. So here our payment link has been created. So let's say I'm selling it on my, let's say my YouTube channel. So you're watching this video and I'm going to tell you, okay, so you can buy this course. So this is a link. I've embedded a link in the comment section. When you tap on the link while you're watching my video, this is the page is going to take you to. Good. So you can see the image I uploaded here, and let's say I want to buy with PayPal. I have my PayPal logged in, so I don't know when I click on it, it's going to be some way, but then you can see it's been highlighted. You can see the mouse over here. So you can pay with your debit card, credit card, and they can also pay with their PayPal. So PayPal is going to take care of that, just like Shopify does. So it's very much simple. If you want to have the QR code too, this is the QR code. You can download the QR code here. You can print it, and I think you can paste it on. I think if you have a business site, you can paste it there. If your country accepts PayPal, you can paste it at your business site. You can paste it on your profile if you are selling online too as well. Simple and easy. So if you want to embed it to a website, you come here, you copy the HTML code here, copying the code, and then you embed the code on your checkout page. Or using WordPress, I think you need a plugin to do that. Depends on the content management system you are using. If you are using Google Blogger, it's very much simple and easy. You can just do that by editing your HTML. But then if you are using WordPress, you would need a plugin to do that. You can search on YouTube and I'm going to get a tutorial on doing that. It's very much simple and easy. So that's it on how you can create a link or a checkout link for your website or any sort of thing you are trying to sell online using PayPal. It's very much simple and easy. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you guys an answer on that. So if you are new here, to give me a like.